Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Hello friends, Pandit Joshi here. Today I will share information regarding transition of Gurudev Brihaspati in Makar Rashi from 20th November 2020. Shanidev is already there in its own house to welcome Gurudev. Here Gurudev becomes debilitated, but due to Shanidev's presence in its own house, Gurudev will be giving results of exaltic. Gurudev will give the results as it is exaltic. I mean, Gurudev will give very good results. From this house, Gurudev will aspect the Rahu Dev, which is also good sign for all rasis. How this Gurudev will affect all the rasis today, I will share the informations. Please look the video till the end. In the end, I have given the remedies for reducing the malefic results of Gurudev or to get the blessings of Gurudev. Second is the Vrishab Rashi. For Vrishab Rashi, Gurudev passes through your ninth house. It is very auspicious for you. This transition of Gurudev in ninth house will increase your luck factor. Inclination towards religion will be the prime factor. You may visit religious places. Sometimes health of your father may disturb you. Long journeys will be fruitful to you. During this period, air travel, foreign journeys are possible. This depends upon one's birth chart. Your health will be improved or you will be able to maintain your good health. During this period, your confidence level will be also improved. Your fame will increase. You will feel mentally strong and your strong desire will make you successful. Relations with your younger brothers, sisters, siblings will improve. Your neighbor will be helpful to you. Your plannings will be executed successfully. If you are in communication, printing, writing field, you will get new heights. During this period, you will feel more confident and your daring will lead to success. During this period, you will be more creative. Your creativity will make you famous in society among your circle. You will be inclined to learn new things, new topics. Your attitude towards study will be too smooth. You will learn and develop your own skill. Your children will be helpful to you. You will get good news from your children. Success of your children may make you more happy. Your digestive system will be improved. If you are married, this is a good time for conception of a child. Increase in your wisdom and knowledge may make you proudy, so be careful. You will be benefited by share market, so you can go for long term investments that will be very fruitful to you. Depending upon one's birth nakshatra, I have put in display slides of time duration, birth nakshatra and how Gurudev gives results during that period. If you see the table, you will be able to find the period during which the time is favorable or not. If the time is favorable, you can get the good results in your favor. You can achieve your goals. If the time is not favorable, then you have to wait. Your struggle may increase. You have to work hard. Now, to improve the blessings of Gurudev or to reduce the malefic results of Gurudev, some remedies. First, chant Om Gang Gurudev Namaha. Second, chant Om Gram Grim Grom Sah Guruve Namaha every day. Third, donate turmeric, jaggery or yellow cloths, yellow flowers or sweets, preferably yellow, on Thursday evening. This is general prediction for your Rashi. If you want to consult, you can contact on our numbers For outstations or other country people, telephonic consultancy is also available. If you find the video helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Please do not forget to push the bell button. May God bless you and your life become happy and prosperous. Thank you for watching the video and please wait for the new topic on YouTube.